Okay, here we are a week later. It is September 18th. It's not even quite 7 o'clock in the morning. A rain that came out of nowhere was not on the radar. I'm going from zero here. This is the good side. This is my diamond glass and griots side. Get over here real quick. This side. And this is the. I'm doing 45. And so I haven't washed the car in about 3 days. Back over to diamond and griots. Back over to optimum and, well, I'm sorry, it would be on the left is Adams sealant, and then on the right, optimum. I'm trying to get the rain again, dang it. Like right now, it's about almost 50-ish. They're acting the same. Well, let me get some rain so we can get a little bit more comparison here. I had it. I'm trying to chase this rain that wasn't supposed to be here. I think I'm driving back into it. Yeah, it's starting to happen. I'm gonna kind of like angle it down to hopefully get the drops of water instead. Let me focus on my dash and kind of come up. Sure is hard to hold this still. Yeah, I'm driving into the rain now. All right. By now, on the left, diamond on the right, griots. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Let me get my... Okay, I got it on 55. Other than having bugs on the window that are not moving, wonderful. And wonderful. I'd say this is just me being here. I think this side is still better. It looks like the rain's gonna pick up here in a second. I'm gonna go over to the side that was not as good last time. Maybe it needed a day or two. I'm gonna speed up to 60. Also, just to clean the front of my car. We have bugs on there. I guess if I maybe get up there. This is doing 60. This is a pretty good rain, obviously. Alright, I'm going to say they're equal. As of right now, this griots may be the quickest of them all. And diamond glass sure isn't no slouch itself. Just looking really right here. I think Adams is the slowest. Griots is the fastest. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's almost too hard. Especially these bounces. Griots on the left, Adams on the right. The beads are a little bit bigger on the Adams part, a little bit smaller on the griots side. You gotta focus on those trees. It's really hard for me to do all this at once. Alright, well that's that. 1 week update. Glad it rained. Maybe check in next week. I'll save this one for the update next week. Addendum. Going zero. Try to get the whole windshield without getting me. Whole windshield. 30, 38, 40, 45, 50. I don't know why I can see it. You got to check the video later. 60. Kind of a slow acceleration there. That was it. All right, just got home. I'm gonna wash my window with some rinseless. Boop. And then go back out. Let's see if it makes a difference. Just because then bugs and stuff that are down here. So let me wash this really quick. It's 7:20 a.m. Just a couple minutes out. I washed the windows. I'm doing 35. We know where my windows, how they're coated by now. Yeah, it's really hard to film and focus. I'm hoping that you can at least see the drop movement. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be driving into, it's darker. The camera may not show how dark it is, but it's darker up there, all right. I'm going to drive into that. I'm sure it's going to be wonderful, but I've washed the windows with O&R. It was O&R, by the way. I smelled it better this time, so it was an O&R in my bucket. O&R and Griot's are both blue. Had to do the smell test. Stop here at this little part of the road. Get some drops on the window so I can take off. I got it 40 miles an hour. 45, 50, 55, 60. It's so hard to see. Adams is still just slower. At 70. Alright, so Adams is still definitely slower. Griot's and Diamond on this side, fantastic. Adams, yeah, this is, I know I say it over and over and over again, but this is so hard to do. It's so hard to focus with this camera. Give me an iPhone out. I got an iPhone I might film the next bit with next week. So there we go. That's my ruling as of today. Griot's and Diamond, wonderful. Adams, slow. Optimum over there, doing well too. If it was Optimum, then the whole window, it's picking up a little bit. The rain's picked up. Look at Adams right here. And then Griot's. Diamond. Adams, how slow it is. And then Optimum. Adams is by far the slowest. I doubt Adams is going to pick up. I may just take it off. There we go. The 18th of September, 2022. That's the way she rolls today. Until later. This was a picture that my wife sent me this morning on Monday, September 19th. If you notice right there to the right, that same little spot for Adams is not going away. This is like a little light mist at 70 miles per hour. So it's still weak. Dang it.